Why did Bello cry? Uh-oh. Okay, when you speak, you have to have a subject and then a verb, and then you have to have the subject first, okay? So number one, you have to have the subject first. Then two, you have to have the verb. We don't count saying 3, 1, 2, right? Do we say 3, 1, 2? Or do we say 1, 2, 3? So you have to go 1, 2, 3. 1 is the subject that comes first, always. 2 is the verb that comes next, always. 3 is the object or the reason or the rest of the sentence, the finish part. So we do not speak saying 3, 1, 2. We can't say object, subject, verb. We can't say that. We have to say subject, verb, object. 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, so try one more again. Try one more time. Why did Bello cry? Uh-oh. Okay, so what are verbs? What are verbs? Do you remember what verbs are? Name some verbs. There are 2 verbs, yeah? Okay, you have actions. Very good. Name an action. Action is jump, run. Those are actions, yeah? And then you have the to be verbs. Yeah, name the to be verbs. Is, was, are, were, one more, and am. So you have to have the verbs next. That comes next. That's 2, right? Okay, so he what? What's your verb? You either need an action or a to be verb. Which one do you want to use? You have to pick one. Which one? An action or a to be verb? Okay, what action do you want to use? He what? Can you think of an action? Yes or no? No. So you probably want to use a to be verb, yeah? Okay, so pick one. Which one? So why did Bello cry? Uh-oh. He what? He was what? Good job. Everybody, he was trapped.
He was trapped.
Very good.